Waiting for my friends to check in down there. What else is gonna happen? Hey, welcome back. It is great to see you. If this is your first time tuning in and you like the videos, give me that thumbs up and subscribe so you can hang out through these awesome adventures. And I'm Erica, I'm coming to you from Crush. It is, what is today? Oh, today is September 11th. I'm actually coming to you from Breckenridge, Colorado. And as you can see behind me, there are a ton of ski resorts. No, it is not ski season. There is no snow, and you can hear the vehicles behind me. Those are shuttles that are running from the resorts down to the town. So we're gonna hang out up here for the week, and I wanna show you the mountains behind me. Wow, those are really pretty. Look at that. There we go, refocus. So we are gonna go on some awesome adventures this week and look at the Grand Colorado Resort here on Peak 8. All of the resorts up here are pet friendly, and they have designated rooms for people that have pets and are bringing their pets up with them for their vacation. This is an absolute beautiful resort. It's the perfect weather. It's a lot more hopping than I thought it would be. The next thing we'll do is we'll go check out the spa, the pool, the grotto. Also look at all the different amenities that are offered here at the Grand Colorado. We'll take advantage of that. We'll go shopping, go explore downtown. The aspen trees are starting to change colors, so we'll be able to see them turning that golden yellow. And as you can see behind me, you can see the gondola. It runs all the way down to the city, and it comes all the way up to Peak 8 and then all the way over to Peak 7 at the Grand Lodge. So you can take advantage of that. So they close in May, so they're prepping for the summer for a month to do maintenance and do safety checks, which is awesome. And then they also close around September for about a month in preparation for the ski season, because they could very well get some snow, you know, even in October. It is still during COVID, and masks are not necessarily required. They're recommended for people that are unvaccinated. Make sure you're bringing that with you just in case. There are a couple things that I do want to mention. Whenever you are going from a lower altitude to a higher altitude, we are above, 10,000 feet. I went from pretty much sea level to over 10,000 feet in less than 24-hour period, and I made sure to be really hydrated for that. Also brought oxygen cans with me. The last time I was up here, I was really struggling. So if you have any kind of limitations and you're going from a lower altitude and you're coming up, even to the Mile High City, stay hydrated and grab some of those oxygen cans if you need to. Don't want to go and get altitude sickness. The whole point of this is for you to just unwind, disconnect, recharge, and just get to the center of you, give yourself some love and care, and you don't want to end up breaking yourself on accident. So this is a great opportunity. If you ever get the chance to visit Breckenridge and stay at one of these resorts, I highly encourage it. They're absolutely beautiful. Align with that mantra to love the life that you're in. Take time to get some fresh air, some beautiful mountain air, or go to the top of the mountain and go hiking, do some zip lining or the slide down the mountain and just recenter, get to the edge of that comfort zone and love the life that you're in. And of course, in anything you do, don't forget to get out there and just crush it. I can hear the puppies behind me. Those are so, wow, those are really pretty. Look at that. It's gonna be just a blast. Welcome to the Grand Colorado. We're in room 2334A, which is a 1-bedroom, and they give you this awesome wristband, waterproof, that gets you into all the different facilities and your room. First, walking into the room, if you want to book adjoining rooms, you're able to do that. And then we've got some cubbies to put your items if you'd like, or hang your coats. And if you'd like to do laundry while you're here, well, I might have a little laundry to do. And they give you detergent, which is nice. There's a nice living room, huge flat screen TV, dining table, and then then the kitchen and also eating area. Plenty of utensils, toaster, oven, so you're able to cook while you're here. Nice refrigerator, dishwasher. Utensils that you might need to cook with while you're here. Really nice soft clothes. Huge refrigerator. Freezer down in the bottom. Nice coffee maker. Cool thing is they do give you coffee. And then into the living room. You do have a fireplace. I'll have to play with it a little bit more to get it going. And then down this hallway you have just a half bath with a good solid door. They provide soap. And again, this is a 1-bedroom, another flat screen TV, plenty of dresser space to unpack. Of course, the balcony, we'll go out there in just a second. Nice sized bed. I would say that's probably a king, I think. And then into the bathroom. So double sink vanity, and they do provide soap, which is awesome. Plenty of space underneath the sinks to unpack. Nice standing shower. Beautiful tile work. Nice garden tub. Very deep garden tub. It would be cool if they had jets. That would be super cool. I think this is called is it called a watering hole? Or a toilet with its own door for privacy, which is awesome. And they do provide plenty of towels. Before I go out there, also a nice closet with an extra fan, a humidifier because it gets really dry up here, ironing board, and extra linens and iron. Ooh, you gotta be smarter than the contraption. There we go. Facing the east. This is Peak 8, Grand Colorado.